outside, I know. Looking for some signs and the stars. I need some insight to your heart. Loving outside.
Hey guys, welcome back to a video, the first video of 2024. In today's video, I will be installing some boholocs. These are the pre-made boholocs that I got off Amazon. I will leave the hair down below. But I'm just installing some. I did do a previous video on it, but it was freehand boholocs. This one is just pre-made. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Whatever it is you try to see, you can sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same old thing. No. But I can tell you straight, it ain't no game, baby. Oh, God bless me, bless me, bless me. God help me. Oh, I think I'm insane. God bless me. God help me, ooh, I think I'm insane. Why you wanna play so bad? 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 But you know it's real, but you know it's, you gotta get 2 times too fast to feel. You claim you see things when you on the empty, but I see the same things before I go to sleep. God bless me, God help me. Oh, I think I'm insane. God bless me, God help me. Ooh, I think I'm insane. Why you wanna play so bad? Why you wanna play so bad? Why you wanna play so bad? Why you wanna play so bad?
Girls love Beyonce, girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when niggas go missing. This job here, you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in on this. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. You got your fair share of the call you up, they call your phone. You try to act like it's just me, but I've been out alone. But if you're alone, then say my name, say my name. Cause I wanna be around you. Say baby, I love you, but you ain't rockin' girl. Say my name, you like the Captain State today. Baby, you are the Saturday. Say my name, say my name, say my name. Say my name, no one is around you. Yeah. Say my name, say my name. Those other men are practice. This ain't no time for acting. This ain't no time for games. This ain't no time for uncertainty. This ain't no time for blocking your phone and not coming home and starting some shit. When I'm in the zone, this is what I've been saying. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. This is not 4 years ago. Time escapes me now. Forget how it felt when this shit moves slow. I come through in whips that make the young boy take a long way home. All my young boys round me street, get money and fuck these hoes. Where we learn these values, I know what to tell you. I'm just trying to find a reason not to go out every evening. I need someone that will help me. Because someone besides myself. I need someone I leave to the front door. We wanna hide no more. Rush backside no more. Neither of us wanna put aside no more. Got alone, nothing was the same. Get your ass alone. Let me make you say my name. Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say baby, I love you, but you ain't rockin' girl. Say my name, say my name. You like the Captain State today. Baby, you are the Saturday.
back. You know that you can't deny, baby, that's that. Plus I'm the type to put the ice where your wrist at. I put your feet up in the sky so you kick back. You know that you would be alive, you ain't missed that. Let's play yes, no, and I can be waiting cause I said so.
Going, turning, I swear crazy. Someone that's close to you reached out to me just to see if we dance. Trust me, this ain't about revenge, but now I get along better with your friends. And it's wrong, I know, but again, trust me, this ain't about revenge. I get along better with your friends. And it's wrong, I know. It's wrong, I know. No. You said you felt. You said you felt something that's different from everyone else. You had the nerve to still ask for my help. Dug you out, ditches.
If you guys are enjoying the video thus far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment if you like, and like the video. But definitely don't forget to subscribe. If you're a new subscriber, I welcome you. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in yet again. And if you haven't caught up with the latest videos, check out the latest videos to see what I've been up to. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.
Whatever it is you try to see, you can sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same old thing. No. But I can tell you straight, it ain't no game, baby. Oh, God bless me, bless me, bless me. God help me. Oh, I think I'm insane. God bless me. God help me. Ooh, I think I'm insane. Why you wanna play so bad? 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 But you know it's real. But you know it, you gotta get 2 times too fast to feel. Cause you claim you see things when you on DMT. But I see the same things before I go to sleep. God bless me. God help me. I think I'm insane. God bless me. God help me. Ooh, I think I'm insane. Why you wanna play so bad? Why you wanna play so bad? Why you wanna play so bad? Why you wanna play so bad?
Girls love Beyonce. Girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when niggas go missing. It's chalky, you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in on this. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. You got your fair share of the call you up and call your phone. You try to act like it's just me, but I've been not alone. But if you're alone, then it's the same thing. I don't want to be around you. Say, baby, I love you, but you ain't rocking, girl. Say my name, you like the captain, stay there. Baby, you are the second. Say my name, say my name, say my name. Say my name, say my time for uncertainty. This ain't no time for locking your phone and not coming home and starting some shit. When I'm in the zone, this is what I've been saying. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. This is not 4 years ago. Time escapes me now. Forget how it felt when this shit moves slow. I come through in whips that make the young boy take the long way home. All my young boys round me scream, get money and fuck these hoes. Where we learn these values, I know what to tell you. I'm just trying to find a reason not to go out every evening. I need someone that will help me. Because someone besides myself. I need someone I leave to the front door. Because we wanna hide no more. Rush that side no more. Neither of us wanna put aside no more. No, not alone. Nothing was the same. Get your ass